Hi, this is Rakesh and today I am here to give you an important information that GIEITech is going to provide you spoken English course. This is one of the prolific language courses offered by GIEITech. In the age of globalization, more and more multinationals are having their operations in India, and similarly, Indian companies are setting up operations overseas. The effect is on small to big every aspect of our society. English is the international language that people has established. Every sector of corporate and government job requires a candidate to be fluent in English. Not only that, learning a second language fluently makes your brain more capable, builds your self-confidence, and helps you interact with anyone in the world without hesitation. So whether you are a higher secondary aspirant or brushing yourself for the new job, you can take this self-improvement course in GIEITech and see a change to you in 6 months. The main aspects of this course are given: phonetics, pronunciation of words, spoken English, grammar, vocabulary and word recognition, writing skills, oral expression of the language, simple sentences, how to respond, request, order and advise, the art of wishing, posing and answering questions, commonly used phrases, sentences, be verbs, pronunciation and silent letters in words, use of modals, international phonetic alphabet, eligibility class 10, duration 6 months. Well, that's all from my side. Do like, share and subscribe the video. Press the bell icon for notification and updates. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.